YouTube, and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin, and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So I am currently finishing up my paper pumpkin alternatives for April 2024. This is alternative video number 19. And guys, I still have a lot of product left. I'm kind of like in awe that I do with everything that has happened in the month of April, and now I'm into May. I'm really kind of surprised. So today, a little bit different. I have my little list here. So I need to show you the Delicate Wings. That's what the name of April's kit was called, Delicate Wings. You got to do 3 of this one, 3 of this one, and 3 of this one. On the back, the QR code for a video to show you how to put the cards together as they were designed. This QR code will lead you to the add-on dies, which work for April, May, and June. And this is a visual of everything in the kit, and then it lists the coordinating colors. Now, we're not going to go into everything that came in the kit. The spot for the kit, by the way, was basic gray, and I have been using an older basic gray spot. So let's get on with it. I'll show you the sentiments. Now for this card, we're not stamping. We are not stamping anything on this card, not even for the mailer. Just kind of wanted to be different. So I am using this card base in its entirety for this card. Yes, I am. And why? Because I can, right? All right. So card base, it is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Then we are going to use 2 of these sentiment strips from the kit. We are going to use this little scrap piece, which is a 1/2 inch by 4 1/4. We are using this butterfly, 2 of these butterflies, and 3 of my Lost Lagoon small butterflies from my old die. So let's scoot this off here. Let me show you what I'm doing. And I'm debating whether or not I want to make it totally flat or pop it up. And guess what? We're going to do it totally flat, no stamping, just using pieces. So the first thing we need to do is glue one of these down, because that will tell us where the other one goes. Now, I know from looking at it before, I want it right there. So there's that one. Now, guess what, guys? You're going to think might be crazy, but it's not. I think the design element, it's not like really technical. It's just kind of how I thought they should go. So there's that one. This one is going to go on the opposite side, directly on top of it. Now that is cool on itself. You could stamp a sentiment there and leave it, but not me. I am putting this across the entire thing to add some color to this card. So there is the Lost Lagoon, which looks like I need to trim one end. I'm not sure how that is, but we'll trim it off here. All right. So there's that. Now we have our butterfly. Now this is kind of raised. It's not going to cause too much of a hiccup. But let's see what I got that we can put underneath this butterfly to pop it up a little bit. So I have this in craft in this one, and we are going to glue these 2 together because I don't want to use dimensionals, right? So these are not going to be used, but I'm not going to let them go to waste. Now I'm going to glue them to the back of this butterfly, and it's going to give it just a little bump up, like so. So you will see, hopefully, I don't know if you can see that, there is a space now between the paper in here. And I'm not pushing or anything. It goes right in there. All right, so that is going to go at an angle. This card then can be whatever it is desired. I'm thinking of donating this one. So that's why I'm not putting anything on my mailer. That, and if you bling things, and it would be great, but we have a few more butterflies. We're going to have that butterfly and maybe this one down there. Let's see, that's down. I know this one is going to go in the center of our large butterfly. This is the largest of my Lost Lagoon butterflies, and now I'm thinking these two, maybe I'll put these on the inside of the card. I really like that one there. It's like they're all flying in the same direction, and I don't like that. So this one's going there. I could have that one there. I just don't like. I need something. That one. I like this right there. So we're going to glue that right there. I'm going to glue this one this way. I do like it there. I could glue... we're going to put that one up there. Now I'm going to look for a teeny tiny Lost Lagoon ones. Oh, my fingers. Coffee dying. Oh, there's a super teeny tiny one. Oh, most definitely. Do I have another one that size? There's one. So we have them. So this one is going to get the little Lost Lagoon on top of it. I almost want to put it going this direction, like it's flying that way. Actually, that works. So that's where it's going. Sometimes you never know. There. And a little dot. And it flipped over, which I am not happy with. So, and thank goodness that side didn't lie. Oh no, that is the right size. Okay. Ta-da! Sweet little card. And on the inside, let's add some butterflies. That's all we're going to add. We're going to add them right here. Let's add this one. Going this direction. All right, so that's what's on the inside. Our mailer, we could add, we're going to add a butterfly or two. Why? You know why. You know why. Because we can. That is the best answer ever. In my opinion, right? Because we can. And this one, I know they do their little code here, but that won't harm it any. So we're going to put this little butterfly down there in the corner. And my card is done. It's that fast, that simple. No stamping, no nothing. Just a simple, sometimes you just need a blank card. Just something you can write whatever you want. However, I'm going to tell you right now, this little butterfly, this big butterfly needs some antennas, right? It needs its antennae, which I can't even grab my black pen. So, in a little dot, in a little dot. And now it looks like a butterfly that a little kid wasn't mean and didn't pull off his antenna. So, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you guys like this. You know, it's quick, it's simple. Wink Estella it. Yes, if I could find where the Wink Estella is. Not that one. I want the new one, right? Is this it? I don't know. Maybe the other one was the new one. Can't. Oh, Wink Estella. Make everything prettier with that sparkle and shine. So I hope you guys would let me know, do you like something this simple and this quick and this easy? Yes, it's an alternative, but it is, it still came out really well. Thanks for watching, everybody, and please come back and visit me in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now.